How to disable rankings on TikTok Live. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can disable the TikTok's ranking on the live. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. But first of all, make sure that you have updated the latest version of TikTok on your device so that you won't miss out on any new features. So if you've already done so, then you can simply log in or sign up to your account. After signing in to your TikTok account, open it. So you should have certain followers to go live on TikTok. If not, then you cannot go live on TikTok. After having certain followers and choosing to go live, just tap on the live section. After tapping on the live section, you will see there is a setting section on the top right side. Tap on the setting option, scroll down, and you will see the very option of rankings right there. It will be visible. After tapping on the rankings option, you can simply tap on it and you will see the enable and disable button right there. Just enable or disable according to your choice. You can disable when it is on the left side. So yes, that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.